Oh my god. I just got jump scared so badly because I was using my headset to play music out loud and I had a water bottle between it so I could hear it and it was open up instead of being closed. And I put the headset on and played music before. Oh my. I'm tired because of it. That is nuts. Back to it. Seth is gone. I'm working on our co-op project. Not mine right now. Should I do mine right now? What do I have to do? I guess I'll do that. Yeah, that's fine. Actually, let me fix this and then I'll go to mine. I'll work on this for a little while. Can't watch that. I like Demetori a lot, but gotta do this, lady. Ooh, new songs. Haven't heard that. Check volume. That is too loud for me, but I think we're good. Okay. Oh, my mic isn't on the right shit. Noted. Whoops, I probably fucked that up earlier, but I guess now this is better. Yeah, cool. Alright, higher, lower noise gate so we hit the threshold to hear easier instead of having it up here and having to be loud to hear me. Okay. I'm trying to get this mechanic going where... Too loud, I can't hear myself. Where when I look down, I want the, my head to go down a little bit, so if I'm looking at a shadow, that it matches. Like, you can see it a little, you can see it right there that the head's going down a little bit. One, it's the wrong direction. And two, I don't remember. And two, wrong direction. And two, half of it isn't working. So I want to be able to look into the shadow and then see it. And if we go third person, I want to be able to see that my guy's doing that. Don't need to show the camera anymore because I fixed the settings for that, which were funky. Go here. Nope. Go to the camera and hide it in the game so I can see what the head is doing. So it's doing it a little bit. And the neck goes with it, so that's not bad. Actually, I'm curious. Let's do... What happens if I do 5? That's actually better. Okay. Okay, alright. Checking the GitHub real quick. Meshes are looking good. See that? I rigged that shit, baby. Let's check the physics out real quick. This is totally unrelated, but what the fuck? Why? Why? Why is it doing that? What is the force? Why is it doing that? What? What? Why? Oh shit. It's about how space would look, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm tired. I've been working like 8 hours. Some of it's screwing around though, so getting better at locking in. It's easier to lock in when you have someone with you, and then you kind of just fuck around a little bit, but then actually figure things out. It's cool. Actually, what happens if I... Right now it's at -30, so if we set it to -60, does it raise or does it lower? Didn't even connect it. If I set it to -60, it raises it actually. Okay. That was the issue. So... if it's negative, These are the ones that should be negative. Which means this should be 0 to 30, I think. And then this should be multiplied by -1 after clamping. Maybe? Kind of. But it fucks up when it gets to this. So, if it's within 270 and 360, we subtract. So now the range is from 0 to 90. And we clamp. Oh shit. That's a cool looking video. And she's pretty. Man, she's been really skilled for a long time, this Ai Higuchi lady. Oh, that's the problem. So... Oh, because it starts at 360 and goes down to 270. So clamp it. I see. I understand now. So it actually needs to be from 90 to 60. And then subtract 60. I think that's the answer. Fuck. Hold on. Oh, that's positive. So this needs to be times so -1 to right? No. Hold on. Wait. Oh, that's the problem. It needs to be 0 down to 30, but it's 30 down to 0. Oh, I could just subtract 360. And then that would be -90. Hold on. It always takes me too long to figure out the number stuff. It's annoying. So if we're from 360 to 270, and we subtract 270, then it's from 90 to 0. And then if I clamp that, Oh, it's a float, duh. Oops. Okay, gotta keep her open so I don't screw myself over and have to edit stuff. So, 60 to 90. But the problem is that that's 90. But then if I subtract 90 from these, 90 would be 0 and 60 would be that. So it should be subtract 90, I think. That way 60 actually becomes, or on that way 90 becomes 0 and 60 becomes negative 90. But then I need to make it positive, so we multiply it by negative 1. I think. So I guess I should have just subtracted 360. Right? Let me just make sure that this works, and then I'll fix the math. My math was just... Let's fucking go, baby! And I'm cranking it a little. Alright, so this should have just been minus 360, and if it's minus 360... then it's from 0 to negative 90. 0 to hold on. 0 to 0 to negative 90, but now it's 0 to 90. Hold on. Then we clamp it to minus 30. Let's go, baby. Alright, so now we'll do minus 50. No. And then plus 50. Looks pretty good to me. Okay. What about the default? So the default is... The default... Maybe... I don't know why he's looking like that off the bat. Oh, it's probably because that's why the default value is fucking 90. That'll do it! Let's fucking go, dude. Figuring shit out. Oh, these fingernails are fucked. That's the only weird thing about the model, I think. Ah! Sausage action. Wow, the knuckles are actually pretty good. This is, AI generated cowboy. Pretty cool. Free. Alright. Then I'm gonna have to figure out... I'm not gonna worry about the pistol animations just yet. I'm gonna get my whiteboard to figure out what's next. Actually... We're making a Western game about a schizophrenic guy named What? W-U-T-T, with a dog. And you don't know if the dog is real or not. Even the player probably doesn't. Maybe not. Maybe the guy does, I don't know. Or the guy doesn't, but maybe the player does, maybe not, I don't know. But you're gonna have, like right now, we're thinking about the basic stuff to do since starting this project. Hold on, let me first, excuse me, go into the skeleton and update this real fast. It's a little close, so this is actually okay to move forward now. See if forward fixes that. Yes, it does. Cool. Now let's see if I can raise it up a little. Yes, a little more. Nice. I think I'm seeing through my hat technically, but it's not a big deal. Nice. Might even make this. So this is raising, this is lowering. It's about as far down as you're gonna look, buddy. Cool. All right, that is now working. Okay, I'm committing the GitHub and the Git and pushing origin now. So we have now saved those changes. Cute. Need water. No. No, please, I'm so tired. Okay. I woke up a little early today. Oh yes, no work tomorrow either. And basically no work Tuesday. Oh, let's go. Don't have to go in the office. Just use a laptop, easy peasy. Okay. So the next steps here, so we basically had a movement system that we wanted, which is just super basic stuff. I had to learn how to implement the new stuff. I had to learn how to do enhanced input movement. And instead of going to your project settings and then doing input and then adding keybinds here, which only have press and release, you had to go and do some other shit and actually create your own, create the inputs, create an axis for each one, and then do some other shit. Like, I guess it's kind of easier to implement. This is definitely better than what I had before. But that was just because I screwed up before, honestly. And did it even worse than I could have in my real project. You have to activate the inputs. And then movement is interesting. Basically, there are two axis values, but I don't know a way right now where I can